Clay soil is a type of soil that is high in clay minerals. It is known for its fine texture and ability to hold water. Clay soil is compact and easily retains nutrients. It can be gray, brown, or reddish in color. This type of soil can be found in many parts of the world. Clay soil is fertile but often poses challenges for gardeners. It has poor drainage and can become easily waterlogged. Clay soil can also become hard and compact when dry. However, it is rich in nutrients and can support lush plant growth. To improve clay soil, organic matter such as compost can be added. Adding sand or gypsum can improve drainage and break up clay particles. Amending clay soil can greatly improve its fertility and texture. Gardeners should avoid overwatering and over-fertilizing clay soil. Mulching is beneficial for retaining moisture and preventing erosion. Some plants that thrive in clay soil include magnolias, irises, and hostas. Clay soil can be challenging for growing vegetables, but with proper care, it is possible. To determine if your soil is clay, perform a simple soil texture test. Take a handful of soil and try to form a ball. If it easily forms a ball, it is clay. Clay soil is often used for making pottery due to its fine texture. It has been used for centuries by civilizations to create various clay objects. In construction, clay soil can provide stability as a building material. However, it can expand and contract with changes in moisture, causing foundation problems. Clay soil retains heat well, making it suitable for thermal mass in some construction projects. In agriculture, clay soil can be challenging to work with due to its heavy texture. It requires careful management and irrigation to prevent waterlogging and nutrient deficiencies. In summary, clay soil is high in clay minerals, compact, and holds water. It has poor drainage but is nutrient-rich and can support lush plant growth with proper care. Notable for pottery and construction, clay soil poses challenges but can be managed successfully.